Do you have any examples of where you guys have successfully monitored or measured things and that's driven insight that's led to growth later?
Yes, 100%. And I can't take credit for these things because we have an amazing team internally. It's our operations team that owns not just like revenue operations, but data, insights, automation. And this past year, we underwent a major project to try to understand what activities or what behaviors on the part of our members drove retention and satisfaction. And so we did a ton of cohort-based like regression analysis where we looked at all the things. So let me back up. Over the past year, we use Salesforce and HubSpot, and our Salesforce, we kind of almost use it like a CDP, customer data platform. So we use it to pull in data from our events platform. So we know like what events are people going to, from Slack. So we know how active they are there, from our LMS. So we know what courses they're taking. And so it's able to unite all that information on a person level. And from that data, we can cross-reference that against their propensity to, or their actual renewal rates and figure out propensity to renew. And the company, the ops team really created something called GPS, which is the Good Path score. And we know that if a member, for example, takes a course, is active in Slack and attends an event, like that, this is a very basic version of it, but that's like the magic secret, right? That makes them happy as a Pavilion member. Because we know that through looking at the cohort data and the retention data. And so what we've done is we've built like a composite health score at the individual level where we see somebody's green, gold, red, et cetera, based on their behavior. And we're able to trigger intervention sequences, which has improved our renewal rates. But as I said earlier, word of mouth is a big driver for us as a community. So the more happy members we have, the more we grow. So this has had like this follow-on effect, but it also informs when we go to market what we need to be steering our prospects towards. We know what makes for happy members, so we can do better expectation setting with prospective members and tell them like, look, it's not just about joining and all of a sudden you're going to get the value. Like you need to be prepared to do these things once you join. And that has improved the longevity of our customer set, our lifetime value. It's raised NPS. It's helped us refine our value proposition. It's like really bled into a lot of different areas. And it all started with like understanding the data better.